In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save voice recordings directly to the SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, open the voice recording app on your device. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, and in your recording settings, look for the option Storage Location. Tap on that, then select SD card from the options listed. You can now go back and say you've started a recording. So once you finish recording, may it be an interview or something similar, you can just stop, ensure that the recording has been saved. And now, when you go to the Files app on your device, select SD card, and then look for the folder labeled Recordings. Tap on that, and you should see Voice Recorder and all the items that you've recorded using the app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.